Hello and welcome everyone. मेरा नाम है Binny and welcome to this amazing, beautiful Sunday morning. You know, I've been putting a lot of biking content on my Instagram. Just in case you guys have not seen it, please go see it. I have met some amazing people who've got in touch and people who are really into biking, passionate about biking. And few of them are the ones that I'm meeting today, Meet and Madhur. मधुर को मैं मिला था एक्सपीरियंस लाइफ की एक राइड की थी हमने भावनगर वहाँ पे एंड मीत को मैं ऑनलाइन ही मिला था सो वी डिसाइडेड दैट प्रॉब्ली विल जस्ट डू अ राइड टुगेदर एंड सी हाउ इट गोज एंड या ऑल्सो आज हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं ईडर जाए. ईडर इज अबाउट 70-80 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद. वहाँ पे कुछ रिजर्वॉयर्स भी हैं तो शायद वो भी चेक करें. या दैट्स अबाउट इट. दैट्स गोना बी आवर राइड टुडे. Alright, तो मैं तैयार हो गया हूँ. Madhur is already there waiting at Kanavati Kitli. Meet will be joining there as well. So that's about it. I'm gonna go off and let's just do this. I've got the new hydration pack as well, so putting that in use also. Let me just suck and see. Works perfectly. Alright then, we need a cam Shwanti. I need to refuel it. That's the first thing that I need to do. Also, Madhur and Meet are already there. We'll go catch up with them and head out our ride. Alright, one file is gone. Madhur is here. Meet is here. Say hi everybody to Blue Palace Stars. And the plan is now to ride to Eder. And from there we're planning to do Indrasi. So sounds like a plan to me. Chalo, chalo. We'll keep at least 110, है ना? 110 रखते हैं. टैंक फुल कर दो कब. बढ़ गए वापस पीने नहीं देंगे. We have to wait for Meet as well, and also me and Madhur, we need a chai, so it is going to be a chai break. So finally taking a pit stop in Himmatnagar. Meet is here as well. कैसा रहा Meet तेरा?
बढ़िया एकदम. So far so good. चाय कॉफी गरम गोटा.
Madhur is here. Some chai, gotas and bhajiyas. That is all good. Alright, so basically Eder Fort is about 30 kilometers from here. It's a straight road from Himmatnagar. That's about it. Saying bye to Kanhaiya Nasta House. The Kaka is super excited always. I see these hills, and I don't know if these are part of Aravalli ranges as well. But if they are, do let me know if you know if the hills around either are a part of Aravalli ranges. This is beautiful. In fact, Ambaji from here is about 77 kilometers, which is great because I feel like doing it, but then depending on these guys as well. This is beautiful, but yeah. बारिश के time amazing stretch होगा ये. ओए चलो 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 चलो. Alright, so we've been told that we can actually bike all the way as well. लेकिन कुछ 2 किलोमीटर का detour है. Let's do this, man. I'm really excited about this. I had no idea about this place. Awesomeness. उसमें ले ले. Awesome, man. This is so freaking awesome. Alright, so Madhur is having a sad time on his Apache. Finally, Madhur also made it. We are halfway through Idar Dungar. But look at the view, man. This is awesomeness. So now, सिर्फ ऊपर जाना है. तू पीछे आ रहा है? आजा. Beautiful, man. अपने जाते वक्त we'll still stop by the same place, take some good pictures. અહીં પાવતી છે જોવા માટે પાવતી છે તો સાની પાવતી છે અહીંયા આપણે હેલ્મેટ મૂકી દઈએ ક્યાં મૂકીએ અહીંયા મૂકી દઈએ. So we are here. So that is Jain Derasar right there. We'll probably go inside. I also want to know what is the historical value of this place because it really looks beautiful. So finally at the Idar Fort, हम लोग चल के जा रहे हैं. एक माता जी का मंदिर है अंदर. There is also Jain Derasar, by the way. I also want to see if we can trek all the way there. That'll be amazing. But they have a dargah as well here. Also, look at that, यार. वहाँ पे कौन रहता होगा और कैसे जाते होंगे उधर? And it's a proper घर ही लग रहा है literally, yeah? Proper structure है वो. It's amazing, man. ये छुपी जगहें हैं गुजरात में. You just need to go out and explore, man. Look at that. The structure is really huge. And Panchmukhi Mahadev. Oh, nice. Look at this. And that is so beautiful. I want to ask some localite. અહીંયા આપણે શું જોઈ શકાય? આ ઉપર છે શું મંદિર છે?
ત્યાં જવાય ખરું કોઈ રીતે?
હા જવાય છે.
અને આ જે ઉપર છે ત્યાં
આગળ વાયરલેસ છે અત્યારે પહેલાં તુલસી માળીઓ ગણાય છે.
અચ્છા ગવર્મેન્ટના માણસો છે. સરસ.
ઘણા જાય છે લગભગ ટુરિંગવાળા આવે છે ને જે ટ્રેકિંગ કરવા એ બધા તો ઉપર જાય છે.
So you can walk. What do you want to do? Walk down all the way?
હા देखते हैं.
चल let's fucking do it. So apparently ऊपर कुछ एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस है and we have been told that we can also trek. This is how the rasta is and the plan is to trek all the way there. So finally made it to the top. सच बताऊं तो फट गया literally. But look at this, how beautiful it is. We want to go there on the top. रास्ता ढूंढने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Here is Sabarkantha police station and that's where we are supposed to go. Should be fun, but फट तो गई है. So पूरे में अब ये steep चढ़ाई है. I think about 25 meters if I'm not wrong. And finally, last few steps to this. This magnificent view. I thought I'll give up. फट गया यार. But look at that. It's all worth it. This is beautiful, yeah. The top of this thing is beautiful. That's the lake. That's where our bikes are parked, right there. And we walked all the way from here to this place. So the boys are waiting there as well. Time to go. I don't want to leave the place, but घर भी वापस जाना है. It's really beautiful. A lot of riders who have not done Eider, and अगर ईडर करने का प्लान कर रहे हो तो जो डूंगर है वो चढ़ो. बहुत सारे मंदिर हैं यहाँ पे. And I genuinely think it has a very spiritual vibe. गुजरात के आसपास ऐसा vibe मुझे लगता नहीं है मैंने कहीं पे feel किया है. So do it guys. Eider is one place to come. I had no idea. I'm so glad I came. मुश्किल तो शूट करना है. राइट, जितना आसान चढ़ना था उतना ही मुश्किल है उतरना. Which is great. ओह, लंबे steps and we're done. Awesomeness. People go out and travel. So just sitting here for a while, soaking in all the energy. Madhur, Meet, and every single one at 6:50. You guys, trust me, you guys missed it. Idiots of तुम लोग फाफड़ा जलेबी खाओ. So बहुत मजा आया यार. Just to sit here and soak the energy. You know what? It's beautiful. If you see right behind, you can actually see all of those hills as well. And I don't know if these are Aravalli ranges. They're really beautiful, yeah. नहीं मन हो रहा है. Trust me, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ नहीं मन हो रहा है यहाँ से जाने का. पर अब 12 बज रहे हैं. We have to reach home as well. So we are basically discussing all these places in Gujarat that you can ride to. Historical value है और ये सब जगहों की. या like something like Dangs, man. अपनी ग्रंथों में लिखा गया डांस के बारे में. So we should definitely ride there as well. And those are the conversations that you end up doing. By the way, we are now walking down. जितना आसान था चढ़ना उतना ही मुश्किल है नीचे उतरना. But yeah, great fun, man. So we are also discussing boots. I have these normal army boots, tactical boots जो बोलते हैं. I bought it for like $900 or something. But trust me, they're worth every single penny that you spend to it. You can walk, you can run. These are the same boots that our army jawans wear it as well on the borders. So yeah, finally चढ़ाई होगी खत्म, उतराई भी होगी खत्म. कैसा रहा तुम लोग के लिए?
Amazing. Wasn't expecting this.
हम लोग प्लान कर रहे थे एक नॉर्मल राइड करने का कि शायद 100 किलोमीटर राइड करेंगे, रिजर्वॉयर्स देखेंगे और घर वापस चले जाएंगे. बट इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अमेजिंग.
Awesome.
That's where exactly we were. That is amazing. We desperately needed this. केम जो काका? फैंसी नींबू पानी. सम स्पेशल नींबू पानी. काका सुसु ना क्यों अंदर?
अंदर काली मिर्च है, वरियाली है, जीरा, संचर, नींबू, शक्कर, पानी.
वाह यार. So this is what it is. भाई मैं तो एक पी रहा हूँ.
मैं भी वो तो एक और लगेगा उसमें क्या.
Alright, done with the नींबू पानी. Thank you काका. Alright, तो हम लोग जहाँ पे हेलमेट रख के गए थे यहाँ पे absolutely there is nobody. The helmets are gone as well. We'll now go and check the office, see if they have the helmet. Oh, they do have the helmet. So got the helmets. Now the plan is we're going to Sansar Waterfall and Indrasi Reservoir. But what a beautiful trek this was, and I'm glad these guys also agreed to do it. Now the plan is to ride to Sansar Waterfall, and from there we will be doing Indrasi Reservoir. अरे मेरे को लगा 12 बज रहे होंगे. तो बेसिकली 1:15 हो रहे हैं. The reason it is so hot and humid right now, but we still do what we are supposed to do. All right, let's do it then. Look at that, yeah. Freaking amazing ride. And let me tell you, I'm very impressed by the Interceptor. Off-roading भी कर ली, enough talk to climb the hill as well, and it keeps up with Himalayan in every freaking sense. In fact, quite a lot of things Interceptor does better as well. Madhur ki bike is not meant for off-roading and stuff, but I have to give it to the 310R, man. It's a beautiful freaking looking bike. Beautiful bike. Look at that, the way he's sitting as well. The stance is really not front heavy. Kanteshwar Mahadev. So we came to Sansar waterfall, but then apparently there's no water, तो जाने का मतलब नहीं है. So now the plan is to go to Bhavnath Mandir, वहाँ से इंदिरा सी डैम करेंगे and then off to Ahmedabad. Alright, then that's the plan. चलो guys, see you. That, my friend, is Bhavnath Mandir. Wow, man, so freaking glad we came here. This is beautiful, man. That is Bhavnath Mandir, and this, my friend, is such a beautiful view. So we're planning to go inside now, but I just wanted to show you this. This is where we are right now. Beautiful. Apparently we just got to know that Chauhan Rishi जिसने तप किया था वो ये जगह है. भवनाथ मंदिर is the place where he did the तप. Also भगवद गीता में इसका उल्लेख किया गया है. The reason I really think ये वाला जो पट्टा है मोडासा वाला, यहाँ पे बहुत spiritual aspect है. And the reason I want to now explore this पट्टा more because vibe आ रही है, वो बहुत spiritual vibe है ये जगह की. मिनरल से भरा हुआ पानी, सबने अपनी अपनी बोतलें भी भर ली है. Man, I'm just happy the way the whole day is turning out to be. Never imagined it, but I'm so happy that we eventually did it. So kudos people, good job. Meet Madhur, good job. So चवन ऋषि ने यहाँ तप किया था, उनकी मूर्ति है इधर. Beautiful. And this is the mandir. So just had a word with the Maharaj inside, and he told me it's about 1500 to 1600 years old temple now. There are a lot of people who come from all different part of the world. इसका उल्लेख भगवद गीता में भी किया गया. I really think that the whole stretch, Modasa, Idar, all of it, it's really blessed stretch because बहुत spiritual vibe मिलेगी आपको इधर. So the vibe was amazing. Just soaked in all of it. Went to the mandir, had a word with the pujari as well, and now the plan is to ride back to Ahmedabad.
Yeah, we'll have something to eat.
Oh, हमने सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है. So just chilling right beside the dam, reservoir, lake, whatever you want to call it, but chilling. That's the mandir right there. And इसको बैठना था यहाँ पे. तो हम लोग मेरे ख्याल से आधे घंटे से बैठे हैं बस यही पोजीशन में. Peace. Right, just saying goodbye to Bhavnath Mandir. Now the plan is we're absolutely okay to go home and eat, so I don't think खाने वाला plan कर रहे हैं हम लोग. पेट्रोल भराना है, पेट्रोल भरा के या उसके पहले कुछ और फोटोग्राफ्स लेंगे and फिर we're off to our own places. Phone आ गया है, my phone needed charging, and what we're planning to do is probably ये पट्टा which looks really nice. We'll click some good pictures and then head off to Ahmedabad again. So just getting some photographs clicked. Thank you to these guys. Thank you Baga. Thank you guys. चलो मड़िए safe जाओ. Interceptor?
एमईवे ने भी ये दी है ना.
हाँ एमईवे ने लिए.
यही कलर है वो.
हाँ बेकर एक्सप्रेस ही है.
यही भी है.
हाँ एमईवे बनता है. चले मीत के शादी का पिक्चर भी लेगा तू. See you guys. See you मड़िए. This ride has been beautiful. Both the boys are getting their fuel topped up. I'm just soaking in this amazing, beautiful place that I'm in. What else do you want in life? Alright. So both of them were really hungry. We decided we'll eat something here. We don't really have a lot, but whatever it is, we have some pizzas and burgers. शायद वही खाएंगे और क्या. Well, riding when it's really hot drains you, but you can't help it because अहमदाबाद में 8 महीने तो गर्म ही होता है. और ये पूरे स्ट्रेच में हम लोग एक ढंग की रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढते रहे, कुछ नहीं मिला. Finally we came here, Abudana, having some bhajiyas again, some chai, and they are having samosas. सीधा मिलते हैं ब्रो, ध्यान रखो. लवली यार, मजा आया. तो ग्रेट राइड मैन. Set. All right guys, that is what we're doing now. Had a great one, meet. Lovely ride, yeah. I'm glad. Adur, lovely ride brother. मजा आया. Full मस्ती.
और प्लान करो ऐसे.
Done deal करते हैं, है ना? चल. Done deal. Oh, yes, so that's the plan now. Riding to अपने घर और मैं full fledged plan कर रहा हूँ. I'm also super tired. We started the ride at around 6:30ish and अभी time क्या हो रहा है यार? 5:30. So we have been out for almost 11 hours now. That's a Sunday well spent. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to the channel and please share करो and channel की credibility बढ़ाओ.